Neumorphic designs are trending nowadays. So today we are gonna learn how to create these stunning designs with different colors with very less code. These are actually much easier than you think with different color, and this is whitish color, little grayish type. Let's jump to our code editor where I have created two files inside a folder, index.html and style.css. We will start with our index.html and we'll create four divs with a class of new for Neumorphic. And for each div I will give them the different name like new 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am using these with alt plus click. So they will write in multiple areas with single type. Okay, we have created, let's give them name. Let flat, convex, concave and inset. These are actually four major designs which mostly used in neumorphic designs trend. And don't forget to link the style sheet. So in style sheet, first of all we will remove this by default margin and paging of our web page. And for the body tag, let's use display flex and little change the background color, not actually white, is little change, and align items to center and justify content space between. Okay, this is the look, and let's give it the height of 100 view height, which means 100% of height of our web page. Okay, now for the new tag, mean for all of our tags we will give them some height and width like 200 pixels. And yes, remember one thing, we don't use border here, we'll use box shadow instead of border. So 5 pixels x-axis, 7 pixels y-axis, 16 pixels for blur and 2 pixels spread. And I will use 0.2 opacity of black color. So okay, let's use for upper areas, upper left area, minus 9 pixels x-axis, minus 7 pixels y-axis and 11 pixels blur, 3 pixels spread. And I will use white color with 0.5, mean half transparent. So this for upper left part of the div. I hope you can see this. Let's make a little changes in our divs. Display grid and place item center, so we have centralized the content inside the div, which are in this case text actually. A little round its border like 20 pixels. I think 20 pixels is good for now. So this simple design, and let's change this for concave and inset. But before going further, we'll fix this issue, like put the gap of 100 pixels in each div and also make it responsive. Display flex made responsiveness much easier with just a simple line of code, flex wrap. And now these are responsive and we can see them together. Okay, now let's move to our second div and create convex design. So we will use the background and linear gradient with 45° minus. RGBA mean black color with little opacity, higher opacity, and the white color complete with no opacity. So this is called convex design. This is a single line of code we extra need for convex design, and same for concave design. We are gonna do a little change For concave design, just remove this negative mark and you see how it easy. Now for inset, for I think there's little trouble. We should use space around instead of space between. Now you can see little space around all these four items. So copy this box shadow, and for the inset element we will use right there inset and also here inset. So now these shadows are inside the div. Write your thoughts in comment. How was you thinking about them before? Okay, let's change the background color of the body. So you can see that the white color is disturbing. So you will little change the opacity, like this half opacity. So I will write 0.3, mean 30% of opacity. And for all these white elements, sorry, white color, also 0.3, and also for both of them 0.3. Okay, now these are much beautiful, and you can also play around with different colors, like go to inspect element, which I mostly use, and choose your a color which you want, and just copy from here and paste in your VS Code. So this is the simple and easiest way to create these neumorphic designs. I hope you would like the tutorial. If yes, then kindly like this tutorial, subscribe the channel for more awesome tutorials. See you in next video.